Hey everybody! Today we're going to be colorizing and restoring old family photos with some new features in Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop has some amazingly powerful tools to colorize and enhance black and white images. With a few simple steps, you can take your photos from this to this. But before we start, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And with that, let's dive into Photoshop. Alright, here we have our photo all ready to go. First step, go to Image, Mode, and make sure you're in RGB mode. Color is now ready to be added to your image. We'd have a little bit of difficulty adding color to a single channel photo. Now for the real magic. Go up to Filter and select Neural Filters. Now go down to Colorize and flip the switch. Photoshop will take a few seconds to calculate the color values, and then there you go. Look to your right. Now you'll have options to adjust the strength of individual colors, add noise reduction, and test out different color profiles. It's pretty amazing how powerful this tool is, and I'm actually really happy with how this image turned out on the first try. Now let's output this filter as a new layer. Next step, we'll work on restoring the shot. With older photographs, you'll notice scratches, folds, and other negative side effects of aging. Let's start cleaning up this image. First, I copy our colorized layer with Command J. Now I begin removing unwanted marks with the Spot Heal tool. This process can be very slow, but it will make a huge difference in your final image. I recommend the Spot Heal, Clone, and Healing Brush as your primary tools for this process. After you've cleaned up your photo, it's on to the final step. I recommend a little bit of dodging and burning with older photos to even out the light and dark qualities of the shot. Chances are parts of your image have faded, creating variations in light quality. Now, let's dodge and burn with a new layer. In Mode, I select Overlay and fill with Overlay Neutral Color. Now select the Dodge tool and begin to work on the photo. Simply hold down Option to burn. Take your time. It's a slow process, but the end results will be worth it. Here's a few sample photos I completed. This is a great way to add some life into your old family portraits. It also makes an awesome gift for family members and friends as well. For more of my portrait work, please check out joefungphotography.com. And for more photography and Photoshop related content, subscribe to this channel. If you have any topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, feel free to comment below.